Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to unlock iPhone 13 Pro, which is on the latest iOS 18, and I'm going to permanently unlock this iPhone locked it to owner on the latest iOS 18, and we are going to permanently unlock this phone. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me on this number, or you can visit the link or the description email address and contact us. So after buying the unlocking file, you need to download 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing your phone. Just you need to import the unlocking file in 3U tool and start flashing your phone. It will take like 10 to 15 minutes and your iPhone will be unlocked. Our service is permanent and a lot of people are buying. If you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So don't miss to like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. This method is 100% working and a lot of people are buying. Our service is permanent and 100% working. So you can see our unlocking is started. It will take little bit of time depend on your iPhone, and our iPhone will be unlocked. This is a permanent solution for activation for the iCloud log. And if you are interested in our service, you can WhatsApp me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking file. If you don't have WhatsApp number, you can see our email address in description link, and you can email us on our email address. So this method is not free. You need to buy the unlocking file because this is a permanent method. It's not just a bypass. You can update or reset your phone after flashing with our unlocking file. Also, you can use SIM card, call data, everything will work fine. It's also supported with latest ISO 18.1 and 18.2. Also, it will be supported with 18.3. So don't miss, and just need to WhatsApp me and buy the unlocking file. If you like and subscribe, I will give you 10% extra discount on unlocking file. Just you need to WhatsApp me on this number, or you can visit the email address in description link. This method is supported with all iPhone models and all iPad models. It's also supported with iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 11 and X series also as well. Our flashing is almost completed. Now it will take little bit time to activate our phone. Now our phone is on. Just you need to follow this step to activate your phone. All is you need to connect your Wi-Fi to your iPhone. Select any country if you want. Continue. Follow this step. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. If you see data and privacy, it means your iPhone is 100% unlocked. If you see any other error, just you need to flash your phone again. But don't worry, our service is permanent, so you will see data and privacy. Data and privacy mean that old iCloud is gone. Voila, data and privacy, it's mean our phone is 100% unlocked, and now we can activate our phone. Follow these steps to complete our unlocking. Set up later, don't use. Continue, not now. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp me or you can email us in our email address. Email address is available in description link. Welcome to iPhone, and 100% our iPhone is unlocked. You can enter the SIM card if you want. You can update or you can reset. Everything will working perfectly fine. If your iPhone is on the on the carrier locked it phone, also it will be activated. Our phone is 100% unlocked, iPhone 13 Pro. Also this method is working on all iPhone models and all iPad models. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount on our unlocking file. So kindly like and subscribe to get 10% extra discount. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Everything is working fine. You can enter the new iCloud account here if you want, and enjoy your phone. I hope you like our video. Okay guys, take care. Bye bye.